2020 is one of the worst years because of the pandemic, and we saw most of the companies move their businesses online. This proves that digital marketing is the future for doing business. Hi everyone, my name is Usman. In this video, I'm going to show you why digital marketing is important for your business. So before we start, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and you turn on the post notification so that when I release a content like this, you'll be the first to notice. And let's start right now. And first, now what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a marketing that utilizes internet and online based technology such as mobile phone, tablet, desktop, and other digital media and platform to promote product and services. So now the first reason why digital marketing is important for your business, you can save money and reach thousands of customers for less money. It's not like the traditional way of marketing. Let's say you want to open a restaurant, you have to hire employees, you have to have money to find the location. Maybe you go to the banks, they reject you. So but with digital marketing, all you need is a website. You can create a website on Shopify, WordPress is almost free. All you need is a host and a team, and there you go. I know you might wonder, say, oh Usman, then how can I promote product? I don't even have a product. I have a website, but how can I promote? Then you can even start by doing affiliate marketing. You promote someone's product, like you go to ClickBank, you can get a ton of product from this website, or share a sales. This website will provide you good product that you can promote on your website. Just pick a niche. Let's say you are in the building side, or you are doing beauty, you are doing tech. All these things you can find them on ClickBank, or you can go to the company directly and scroll down to the footer side of their website. You can see affiliate. You can click there and sign up for their affiliate and promote their product. Or you do drop shipping. You act as the middleman. You create your own shop and you act as the middleman between the manufacturer and also the customer. So all you need to do is to set up your own website and promote the product. You can go to AliExpress or Alibaba and look for manufacturer who can create or make a good things for your store, the things that you want to promote. So all you need to do is to promote the product on your website by writing content and getting organic traffic from search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. So, or you can even do paid traffic. You use Facebook or Instagram, you do paid traffic. The cool thing about it also, you don't have to deal with inventories. All you need to do is to promote the business. So the second reason why digital marketing is important for your business is because your customers, they are already online. You see, nowadays people cannot go without their phone. Anything that you want to sell, you have a huge amount of customers online that is waiting for you. All you need to do is to do the right thing and deliver good value. So the third reason why digital marketing is important for your business is because you can connect with your customers no matter the location that you are. You can also spy on your competitors. You see what they are doing, you see what they are selling. You can go to their stores and look, but I don't say you should go and copy what they are doing and put it on your website. No, it does not work like that. You have to create your own way, but you can see and get inspiration from them, but don't copy what they are doing. So this is the reason why digital marketing is important. So now the fourth reason also why digital marketing is important for your business, because online marketing like social media, SEO, which is the search engine optimization, give small business a major scope of growing. You see, let's say you are just starting. You can also rank #1 on Google. You can also get a huge amount of traffic to your website just by delivering good values. You know, this is the importance of digital marketing. There is no barrier of entering. You will start today and start by doing good work. You will see a good result maybe after 2 to 3 or 5 months. So digital marketing will help you even if you are just starting. And you can also challenge big companies. You can also rank on Google if you are writing a good content, you are delivering value. It's not like the traditional market when you have a little amount of capital, when you can challenge companies with billions of dollars, but online you can challenge big companies. Hence you are delivering good content and helping the people. So this is the importance of digital marketing. So the fifth reason why digital marketing is important for your business is because it will generate money for you while you are sleeping. Of course, I know you will think, oh, how will that possible? Of course, let's say you are writing a content, you are writing a blog, and you are promoting products. So now you publish a good content and you offer services, like you are doing tutorials, you are doing coaching, you are selling ebook. If you rank on the top of Google and you are selling product and services like book and courses, this alone will bring you money while you are sleeping, because you can get a ton of traffic, a ton of visit. So this is the reason why digital marketing is the future. Digital marketing is important for your business. So by the year 2040, researchers are predicting that 95% of the purchases will be from the web. So this is the reason why digital marketing is important for your business. So start now by leveraging your computer or mobile phone to do digital marketing. And thank you very much for watching till the end. I always appreciate you. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn the post notification so that you will not miss a content like this. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Salute. In this video, I'm going to show you why Digit. In this video, did I say Digit? 1, 2. Let me start again. In this video, I'm going to show you why digital marketing is important for your business. Woohoo! I got that.